APS students, imagine being trapped in a magical winter attic filled with mysterious clues and hidden surprises. This is your chance to dive into or escape the winter attic digital escape room. Will you be one of the participants who can make it out and win a prize? In this exciting challenge, you'll be exploring every corner of an enchanted attic, uncovering digital puzzles, discovering hidden clues, and learning about winter traditions from across the globe. You can work solo, team up with friends, or even work together as a whole class. That choice is yours. Just remember, each of you needs to submit your answers to be eligible to receive one of our awesome prize packs. So if you're up for the challenge, grab your friends, bring your A game, and get ready to solve your way to the finish line. The first 500 students to submit their answers will win a prize pack filled with toys and treats delivered straight to your school. So let the adventure begin.